G&C Colors. Since our foundation in 2000, G&C Colors has stood out as a leading Spanish company in production and commercialization of high-quality inorganic pigments. We have set new standards of efficiency and performance in various industrial sectors by offering a wide range of pigments under the brand name ChromaFer, with iron oxides and green chromium oxides taking a prominent place. We develop specific tailor-made pigments for various fields of application, such as plastics, paints, asphalts, DIY, decorative paper, building materials, and others. In all cases, we meet the highest quality criteria and adapt to the most varied and demanding conditions. At G&C Colors, research, development, and innovation are fundamental pillars of our daily work. Our team of experts works continuously to develop new products and improve existing ones, using cutting-edge technologies and advanced manufacturing processes that guarantee maximum quality and performance. As a complement to our range of pigments, and in line with demand, at G&C Colors, we have developed a wide variety of ancillary products under the brand names Lagitex, Avifugo, Easy Color, as well as colored release agents for stamped concrete. Polymer dispersed pigments, known as PEP, represent a new generation of plastic encapsulated pigments intended for coloring asphalt agglomerate. With a wide range of colors available, we are transforming the urban landscape and promoting safer and more sustainable mobility for all. At G&C Colors, we are committed to innovation, quality and sustainability, and this commitment drives us to continue to lead the pigments and ancillary products industry, offering increasingly transformative solutions for our environment.